we go. Mom.
Mommy, can you open my paint?
Yep, working on it right now, baby.
I want to color
Here,
this
Andrew.
first.
Make something. Look under
Thank you, Mark.
there. You're welcome.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's your new
Look at the
truck.
wheels, they work.
Mm-hmm.
The wheels work.
You can paint that thing how you want it.
Do this child a favor. Open these for her.
Thank you, Marky.
You're quite welcome. I love you, boy.
Just for you, son. We love you. Just wanted you to know it.
Mommy, I'm going to make these just for you and Andrew. I'm going to make the cat for you.
I'm making this for Mark.
And I'm making the balloon for you, Andrew. I'm making the balloon for you.
Okay, now we're gonna. Okay,
I made that for you.
thank you.
Mom,
Yeah, make your place to put it down.
look at that stained glass I made.
Right there.
No, you can't set it on the edge of the table.
Show Mom what I
Where
made
should
you.
I put it?
I want to show it to my fan
Okay,
club.
thank you. I'm trying to.
It's okay. It's okay. No, it's just fine. See it? Except for one piece right here. But I think it's going to be okay, Andrew.
Now,
Here. Isn't
only
that pretty?
put your brush in one color at a time. Don't mix them up.
Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome. Now, if you're going to use blue,
I'll paint this now, Mom.
All right. We're going to set this way over here out of the way for to dry, okay?
Can I tell you something, Mom? Will you open all these for me?
Yes, I will.
You're going to mix them together and it's going to be good.
Uh-oh.
Now, if you want to paint his face blue, okay, if you want to, when you ready to paint something else,
Mom, I know what to do. I'm making me a sandwich.
Well, let's paint that there sandwich first.
no. See, you got to wash it. There you go.
I tell you what this is gonna say.
Wash it in.
What?
Mark.
Oh, you're going to paint your truck, ain't you?
Yeah.
You're going to make a Mark truck. You're going to make a Mark truck.
You ain't listening, so just go at it.
Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.
She's being a beaver.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Teach her how
I'm
to do it, she
hyped
won't
up.
listen.
Can I tell you something?
Uh-huh.
I'm hyped up
You
on
know, you let me
Pepsi
guess.
Max.
Pepsi Max, really?
Yes, the next drink to the monster drinks.
So what's the deal with Pepsi Max? Has it got more...
It's got more caffeine than any soda in the world.
Oh, my God. I don't know if that's a good thing or not.
Can I tell you something, Mom?
Yeah.
It's the next drink to the
I'm
monster
making
drink.
this for Mama. For you.
Well, I was trying to help you, but you won't listen.
And I listened to Mark. He's trying to help you out there. That's what he's here for. There you go, son.
You gonna do this one?
Yep. Sure enough.
I'm gonna start with the black.
Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you for the fun, son.
Is there another?
Here you go, son. Whoops.
Is there
Them's good paints. I can
another?
tell by looking at them. They're good. The quality is good.
Took me a long time.
You take your time.
Can I tell you what I'm gonna do with this?
That's what it's all about. Oh, cool.
See that?
You can even glue that back in there if you want to. But you don't have to.
We
Do whatever you want to.
Mark, should I do that?
If you want to.
So you're trying to get you something big.
Mom,
Huh?
put anything. Look at this, Mom.
Uh-huh.
The dude got shot. Mark, the dude got shot in the eye by a bullet.
Hmm?
That's how you make that air balloon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, I messed up. Give me a paper towel, please.
Okay.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Here, baby. Do it.
Mom, I made the cat for you.
Did you make the cat for me?
Yeah.
All right, let me see it.
Come here.
I guess who's doing the balloon?
Who?
Mark. Do a nice job, Mark.
I'm trying to show her how to do this. Switch colors. So that's
Mom,
what you're supposed
I want you to do this one now.
One
I want
project.
you to do the next
Mom said one project at a time.
You heard that, didn't you? Thank you.
Andrew, Mom, Mom.
We're What's all this for?
I don't know what to do with this.
Mom, look.
Look,
Look on the.
I'm not sure what's going on with all these little cups. I was trying to.
I'm glad you brought me that first. That was a perfect idea.
I thought that last night. No.
Now let's make something else. Maybe I can make it in here.
Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.
Mom,
Uh-huh.
I ain't gonna eat just yet.
Oh, that's okay. I set it aside. You can
Do these things.
You know, you can glue those right on if you want to.
Yeah.
I make it like a tractor trailer.
Mm-hmm.
And do 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That's smart.
Mm-hmm. Clearance lights, they're called.
Clearance lights.
Mm-hmm.
Say clearance lights or clearance lights?
Clearance lights.
Clearance lights.
Clearance.
Clearance.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just trying to get some clarity on it.
Mark, I'm going to do something else now.
What you doing inside your box, Anna?
I'm doing this in there.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, I need. I'm gonna make a snowflake.
A what?
A snowflake.
Yeah, it's starting to come off a little bit.
Haha.
Mom, look
That's
what I'm
better.
doing. I'm trying to see if it'll come off.
Wah!
Yeah, it's
That
good.
scares me. Wah!
Well, you learning, ain't you?
Let me put a little bit right there.
Hey! Leave me alone.
Let me put a little bit right there.
No.
Why not? It'd be pretty. It'd be sparkly.
You're kidding.
Yes, I'm kidding. I wouldn't do that.
Huh. That's better.
Uh-huh.
Now,
Now what you doing?
Ah,
Here's.
well, that's a nice piece of work. No doubt.
I'm making kids on there.
Okay.
That looks like a place I'd like to go. It's a snowman.
Yeah, it doesn't have no face.
Is there any littler balls in there?
Yeah, I got
Yes.
some. See?
That's the smallest she's got left. Oops. And this is the biggest that is left. She needs to use 3 like that.
That's the snowman.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
That looks like a case box.
Well, now you
Cake,
can't-
cake boss creation.
Mm-hmm.
What does?
What she's doing looks like a cake boss creation.
You're gonna have to. You can't. You need to put the big one down first.
All right, who is painting a balloon?
Give me the little one.
Now you need the big one. If you're gonna use, put the big one down. Then you put this one.
Aw, there's a hole in my truck.
What? Can I see?
What kind of hole?
This it's a
What?
well, in a hole. So
Ah!
there you go.
I'm so scared of that.
Why?
Cause you make
It's
it.
tree bark. It's just a,
Oh, okay.
not a hole. It's where the
Wood got mixed
I'm
up.
gonna make it bigger, Mama.
God, check that out.
And
She
you're
needs
not
another.
going to
She got the wrong size ball on it.
Mhm,
Put
that's
one
what-
of these little white puffs on there.
That's the reason why I fixed that.
Put that
one,
on
trying
there.
to show her how it's supposed to be.
I'm gonna make a big one.
I told her she's supposed to use 3,
It's all right.
and then I put that in the one together, showing her.
Hey, I was gonna put this one on.
No, well.
Well, let's see if you can do it. Maybe she can.
Come
Maybe we
here
ought to
with
give her a toothpick. That's what the cake boss does.
Toothpick,
Cake,
that's a good idea.
Cake boss uses anything he can use.
Yeah.
That what you call it? That tubing,
Dad did this.
water tubing stuff.
PVC.
Yeah, they use everything they can use.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh, check it out! Check it out! It's gonna fall! No, no! Her snowman pieces are flopping everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Not mine, because it's so sad. Mine's so sad.
Let me see.
But look. Oh, look at that little angel. Yeah.
Ran a toothpick right down through the middle of it.
I got a better
Well,
idea.
that's a good idea.
It wouldn't be no good either.
That's what cake makers do.
I got a better idea.
They hold their cakes up in all kinds of different shapes and
What, Andrew?
figures.
It's going to be scary, Mark.
Mark, look what I did.
Mm-hmm.
I know I could take this out, and maybe we can use it for the snowman.
Well, don't take it out
Like
just yet.
like
You,
this?
are you sure you don't want that?
Yeah, I'm
Because
sure.
that'll help you poke it into something.
Mark, I need help.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Look, this bird's got a hole, honey.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
That might not be a good thing.
Well, mine's going to get yellow.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay. I'm going to use it for something else.
This is how you make a snowman.
There we go.
Paint him. Put a paint
Mom, look what I did. I put a hole in him.
in him. Yeah, he's got a hole too, don't he?
That's better. Now, needs a little eye.
Yeah. A couple of them blue rocks would look good on there.
Nah.
Don't think so?
They're green.
Green rocks?
Mine are green, at least. What's her color?
Hers is the same color as yours.
Then it's green.
I went to Dollar Tree and got a bag of them.
Where's the rest of them?
Y'all got them. Y'all got them all.
You got a small bag?
Oh, it's a pretty good sized bag.
There you go.
I can get a big bag at like Dollar Tree for like $1.
Really?
Yeah.
I might want to put that on there. I might want to glue that on.
Look, Mom. Look inside this truck.
Check it out. Oh, that's nice.
Mark drew some windows.
Mm-hmm.
Like right here, see?
Why don't you paint some people in there? Paint some people in the windows like they're going down the road.
Nah.
Mom, should I paint the wheels?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because I don't want them to get stuck.
Put some
Like,
pretty hubcaps on them or something.
Mom, look at what I did to my bird. Mom, look what I did to my bird.
Where is your bird?
Right here.
Show me where your bird is.
Right here. Right there. Mm-hmm.
I see him.
Mom,
I see your bird.
Mommy,
give me some glue.
You got it.
do penguins.
Do you think those are going to stick?
Mm-hmm. Because I'm going to make this feel better.
You going to make it feel better?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to make his boo-boos feel better. Oh, thank you. I already got one. Mommy, I made it for you.
Oh, thank you, baby. Don't open it for a long, long time.
Don't worry, it won't open no way.
Is it plastered shut?
Mm-hmm.
It's all right.
First thing she done is went around it with that white glue and glued it down and good and tight.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, help that baby out.
I made the really big hole.
She says it'll open, and I told